Woodpeckers, welcome back. Welcome back to Wood and Whiskey Wednesday. I'm Steven. This is the shop. It's episode 29. The only thing that I am redoing is this intro. The rest of it, I went live on Facebook, and it was golden. I liked it. There's some things in there that are kind of screwy, and it's off of my webcam. It's on my computer. It's not what I'm using right now. It's the only thing I don't like. But we'll get into what we're drinking tonight. So I've got the Johnny Walker Blue Label. I'm going to link the story of this bottle onto this video somewhere when I go to edit it. I did not buy it. It's very expensive. It's delicious though. But I can't go and start a video and not show you the pour. A small one. I've already had one. So the first, the second, and now the third, which is the first that you'll see, is to you all. And we're drinking the Blue Label. Very special. This entire episode is me being thankful. Thankful to my family. Thankful to the shop. Thankful to great whiskey that was gifted to me by a great boss. Again, I'll link that later. Tomorrow's my birthday. You know what sucks about your birthday being on Thanksgiving? You're supposed to have pie, not cake. We're probably gonna have both. But stick around. There's no build tonight. It is literally me talking to you all and seeing some of the growth that we've done over the last 28 episodes, this being the 29th. Growing pains have happened. Even the live that I shot, the first one, the first intro, was horrible. Changed some of my settings. Then I went back on live, and you're gonna see that because it came out pretty good. Stick around. Friends, we are back. We're back this time. But what I want to do is get back into making lives, especially on Wednesday. I do like doing them. I like the interaction. I like just talking and not have to worry about did that go right, because that's what I do every time I make a video for YouTube. I waste hours and hours and hours trying to get it just right. Whereas this, more personal, I can talk straight to you all, and I like it better. This being my second take, I've already poured. So the first and now the second one is to you all. And it's good because I will continue to sip on this whiskey all night long. And why are we doing the blue bottle, or the Blue Label rather? One, very thankful for my life and my family. Couldn't do what I do without them. My wife, 3 boys, amazing. Dogs are a pain in the ass. Those, yeah, you can take those. Very thankful for the interaction that I have, through social media. Through Facebook, through Instagram, and are growing up to 102 subscribers on YouTube. Definitely want to continue to grow that. But that's definitely the direction we want to go in. But tonight is about being thankful. What are you all thankful for? Is it family? Is it health? Is it good whiskey? Is it just being alive? Tomorrow is the anniversary of my born day. So I am very thankful to be alive, to see the sun go around the earth one more time. So tonight, there's no build, just gratitude, a little bit of whiskey. I do have to get into some sawdust therapy. That's gonna wait until after I do this and do some editing. I keep looking over. I made notes. So what are we, thankful for, especially in this episode? We've had 28 what I think are really good videos. Some of them are better than others. Some of them have issues. We're growing, we're learning. Came back to the lives after being gone for a while. That's what I'm thankful for, at least for the channel. For all the ideas that people throw out. I just had a guy reach out to me on Instagram. It was like, hey, can you make this? Can you do by the 5th? It's in my wheelhouse. I can definitely make it happen. But I am thankful for that. Definitely thankful for the food for tomorrow, because I'm a fat kid and I like food. Super thankful for that. What's your favorite part of Wood and Whiskey Wednesday? Is it the builds that we do? The different whiskey options that you see me drink? Is it our mascot? Because I love the mascot. Or is it the giveaways? We're doing pretty good on that. I do. Eddie, I swear, this weekend, I'm going to get you the flag. It's sitting, I'm looking at it. I just need to drop it off, brother. And the rocking horse, I did find a good home for it. One of my Marines that used to work for me, 7 twins. So I'm going to be ecstatic to drop that off, and I'll be able to see, through Facebook and Instagram, pictures of them using it, or just collecting dust, and I'm good with that too. This month's giveaway. So these are available on my website, www.doubletswoodemporium.com for $35. A couple of different options that we have. I made a couple for my nieces. They should get them today if they have not already. Maybe tomorrow. I have to check the tracker. But they had little ones at home. I think they're gonna like it. I hope that they use it. It was made with love. Same thing with this one. I like the way that I keep moving it because I used this foil paint for the first time. I don't like it. But this is our giveaway. How do you enter the giveaway? You've got to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you've got to comment on any video that. Whoa! It seems like every week I drop something like that. But comment on any of the videos that we push out through the month, all the way out to the first Wednesday of the following month, and then we'll do a giveaway. We all are all caught up words. We are all caught up on those giveaways. Minus Eddie. This weekend, I'm dropping it off, brother. I swear. Hold me to it. It's a great flag. I made it like 3 months ago. Should send it out. So, looking ahead, I don't wear hats. I only wear it because it's keeping my microphone. feels weird on my head. I can't wear it. I'm not a front guy. Weird. The only other time I wear hats is when I'm running. We're gonna ramble the entire night long. Good thing is I could chop this down and then upload it. It'll be alright. So looking ahead to episode 30, we'll do the giveaway. Does anybody here have any ideas on what we can build for next week? Because I've got no idea right now. I have a couple projects that I have to make, kind of like the project that I've already dropped off this morning. I can't post them anywhere because they're local folks, and I know at least one of them does follow the socials. They came out really good. I can't wait till they said that they gave them to them so I could post it, because I was super excited with them. The other one was a firefighters captain's bugles. That one came out amazing. I was quite happy with it, but I need to know what I can post. You okay? Can you hear me? Are you watching? Not watching? I just went back, yeah. I changed my settings and fixed it. My better half. So Christmas sales, they are open on the website. I do have the cutting boards are up, not the cutting boards, cookie boards, and the smaller bills that we did. I do want to make a couple more of those. We will start decorating our house tomorrow. Like most people, day after Thanksgiving. So those will come out of the storage that I've had them in for about a month, and they'll actually make it into my house. Can't wait. Super excited. This year, not a Grinch. We're gonna go decorate with stuff that I make. You can't like that. But all the things that I did make are up on the website. Go out there, doubletwoodemporium.com. Keep plugging it. I'll put it right there. Not a Grinch. For the most part, that is everything that I want to get out. Do want to say, comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's how you can win the giveaways. We're trying to grow 102 as of day when I look. So each week we keep going up. I do enjoy that. I can't wait for it to. There's a little hump you've got to get over, and I can't wait to hit that. Bum bum bum. So after you like and you subscribe, comment on what do you think this year. What are your plans for next year? What do you want to see us make? Box Cruise, how about a wooden plaque for desktops? So they make there's a place out in Okinawa that makes these great desk nameplates. I can't do curved. If I do anything curved, it has to be freehand. I like doing freehand, and again, the thing that I made this morning, or for this morning, was freehand. But to mass produce that, I can do one-offs. I know what you're talking about, though. They are amazing, and you see them on everybody's desk. They got the little felt portions where you can put your. Those are the ones that I'm recalling. Exactly, Alex. Those I wish I could make. But I can make versions of them not specifically like that, and it's only because they are curved, and neither of my machines like curved anything. I can do freehand, but again, that is I'm working with a Dremel. Doesn't always come out the cleanest and the crispest. If you got an idea, shoot me a message, and we will work on one together. I do want to make them. I do. You're not the first person. You're probably not gonna be the last person to ask about them. I don't know where you can get them from. Everybody tells me open. I never went, so I never even got one from there. But that's where a lot of people get them from. Actually, I'm not saying no. Not saying. I do want to try because I like them, and I might even just try to make one for my desk. And that's where a lot of the prototypes of what I make, kind of like what I was just saying with the Christmas decorations. The prototypes they're 9 times out of 10 gonna stay with me, because I use them as learning, and then I figure out what I'm messing up. These I don't like, and I wouldn't sell this version of one to anybody, because of the way that I cut the edges of these. I did learn from doing those, and I've made a few of them since then. That they're amazing now. First one's not always good. The one that we put up in the house is pretty nice though. But I am gonna close this off. We're at the 15-minute mark, and that's probably gonna give me about 6 minutes of actually usable video that I can put onto YouTube. But I have been dying to do lives. I think I'm gonna go back and rewatch this one to see how choppy it is. If it's not choppy, I think I might start doing them weekly. Maybe not on a Wednesday. Maybe a different day of the week, and the different format. But until next time, I appreciate you coming over here, Alex. I do. One person that just keeps, bringing me back. Thank you for showing up. I appreciate you, and I appreciate all those that do come around and give me insight. This is probably a bad day. A lot of people are probably traveling. We're not traveling, we're home. It's what retirement does for you. But I did want to get on here. I have been like, oh my god, I'm kind of like crack. I was missing it. I'm going to edit that one out too. But until next time, we're going to saw. We will sand. I've got some I got to clean up. I'm going to sip. I'm probably going to pour a little more because I'm hungry. Y'all have a great night. Thank you. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for everything on this channel. Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. TikTok fell off a little bit. Just a little too much to keep up with. Bye.